the cities, to the fields we hear the call. Compatriots standing tall, we will not fall. With pure hearts and intentions clear and true, we send a message from us to you. No matter the politics, no matter the creed, we come together in this hour of need. Diverse in background, but united in soul, to keep our nation safe. That is our goal. We march for peace, together for peace. Let the sound of unity never cease. One spirit, one voice, across the land, walking side by side, hand in hand. Cambodia needs peace. Let the world see. This is our hope, our destiny. March for peace. Together we stand. From the Riverside Night Market, the journey starts. With courage and love inside our hearts, step by step to the Independence Monument high, underneath the commerce sky. We seek no destruction, we seek no war. We know what we are fighting for. Peaceful coexistence is all we ask. To build our future is our sacred test. We thank the union of you federations today for organizing the light, for showing the way. We stand with the royal government's God, safeguarding the peace. Though the road is hard, we appreciate the spirit, the power of the crowd. Sing it for Cambodia, sing it in loud. Across the land, walking side by side, hand in hand, Cambodia needs peace. Let the world see. This is our hope, our destiny. March for peace. No devastation, no loss of life. Just a nation rising above the strife. Cambodia needs peace. Together for peace.